Today we're going to be learning to play Ukulele Blues in C. You need to be able to read the tabs. So if you don't know how, see the video on how to read tabs. Here is how it goes. And it repeats. To learn this first line circled in the red. Right, so let's start with this first line. It starts off with that squiggly line. It's a rest, so you don't need to worry about that. We're going to take the ring finger, put it on the third string of the third fret of the second string. So 3, and then third fret of the first string, back to third fret of the second line string, and then you're going to play the second fret of the second string, and then the third fret of the first string, back to the second fret of the second string, and then first fret of the second string, and then third fret of the first string, back to the one of the second string. So it goes 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. And the next part you're going to finger the C chord, third finger, third fret of the first string, strum it, and then first fret of the second string, second fret of the second string, and then your G7 triangle chord, first finger, second string, first fret, then third string, second fret, first string, second fret. So that's your G7. So the whole first line goes 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, C chord, 1, 2, G7. Next we're going to learn this whole section after the first line circled in the red. So take your third finger, third fret of the first string, and you're going to play it twice. Pointer finger, first fret of the second string, play it twice. So that first pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you're going to do that pattern 4 times. So it goes like this. We're going to learn the whole page 2. So we start off with the F chord. Pointer finger, first fret of the second string, middle finger, second fret of the 4th string. So that's your F chord. You play it twice. And then we're going to add the next finger here to the 3rd string, 3rd fret. Play it twice. So it goes F, F7. And then we're going to play D minor. So squish this finger underneath the middle finger. You can just play it like that too. And play it twice. That's your D minor. And back to F7. So the whole line goes F twice, F7, D minor, F7. Then you repeat the whole thing again. Alright, so the whole second page goes like this. Exactly like the beginning again. On your C. You finger your C chord, 3rd fret of the first string, and you're going to add on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So it goes. Take a look at page 4. You've got G7s and Fs. You're going to play G7. Pointer finger, second line, second string, first fret. Next, third string, second fret, first string, second fret. So that's your G7. You play it 4 times. And then you're going to do this G7 kind of inversion thing. You're going to bar the 7th, press them all down, and then put your finger right here. Play it 4 times. So the first line of page 4 is G7 4 times. Slide it up to the 7th bar. Okay, the second line of page 4 starts with the F, pointer finger, second string, first fret, next finger, 4th string, second fret. So that's your F. F 4 times. And then you're going to do an inversion F7. So slide it, bar the 5th, press them all down, and here 4 times. So second line of page 4 is F 4 times. Bar 5 here. So the whole page 4 is G7, F, bar 5. Top of page 5 looks like the beginning again. Whole thing repeats all the way, all over again until you reach this outro. It just ends a little bit differently than the beginning. Here's that outro, the last line. It's similar to the beginning, and the middle section, it goes 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. But here's the different part. You do a C chord strum, and G7, and end on C. And that's the whole thing of Ukulele Blues in C.